Hi, I'm going to give you a quick look at our scores feature in Ortto. It's super flexible and really easy to use. You can set up a lead score, engagement score, or a fit score in just a few minutes. I'll show you how. First, we'll go more scores and then new score, and I'm going to give my score a name. Now, score format, I'm going to keep this as normalized, and this is going to mean my scores are calculated on a 0 to 5 rating. It makes it much clearer, especially when you have a lot of leads. I'm going to select an emoji and hit save. Now, my score half-life period, I'm going to update this. It should loosely reflect your sales cycle, and it's only going to be applied to activity-based criteria. So over here, I'll start setting my criteria, and I'm going to start with a filter. Filters will not depreciate with the half-life period. And this is because filters like I'm setting here, organization and industry, are just as relevant today as they are going to be in, say, 45 days. So I'll set a couple of industries here, and then I'm going to apply points. Now I'm going to assign points based on importance. This can be anywhere from 1 to 500, with 500 being the most important. So I'll choose 250 for this one. Now I'm going to set some activity criteria. Now, again, the activity criteria is going to depreciate with the half-life period because it becomes less relevant over time. I'm going to select a custom activity here, added user, and assign 500 points because that's a really important one for my fake business here. Now I'm going to fast forward through the rest of my criteria. Okay, so once my criteria is set, I'm going to turn my lead score on, and that's it. We're ready to roll.